Hi everyone, this is JEMAR's bar tutorial of Shotcut, and we're going to do today is 240 pixels problem that they don't know what's happening in Shotcut. So maybe your problem is from the export file, so I'm going to show you what solution you can do. First, you have to go to this export file, export option, and then don't export yet, just go to advanced and check your resolution if it's in the standard or what kind of standard you have. My standard is 720 pixels, so it's 1280 by 720. So if this doesn't work, maybe check your build order or maybe scan mode, depending on progressive. You have to do everything as best. That's my suggestion, because if you do this at maybe pass, good, better, the quality goes down. So if that doesn't work still, you have to go to this your recording studio or somewhere. If you're not recording your screen, maybe your video file, that's the problem. But for me, maybe recording in OBS, that's not really recording at its best. So if you go to settings, there would be something like another resolution there, and I don't want to show it because maybe my recording would get cancelled. So that's all my solution that I can give to you. This is just a few minutes. So if there's any other problem like this, you can tell me. Just go down to the comment like this, or give some comment that you're getting some problem from Shotcut. Okay, bye. That's all. Thank you very much. And also, thank you for the one who gave me a message of this 240 pixel problem. Okay, bye.